Why was CCPA rushed into law so fast? Imagine a new law that changes how companies handle your personal data. Now picture it being created in just a few weeks. That's what happened with the California Consumer Privacy Act. The main reason for the quick rush was to stop a ballot initiative from appearing on the November 2018 election ballot. This initiative was called the Consumer Right to Privacy Act of 2018. It would have given California residents direct control over their personal information. Lawmakers didn't want to wait for voters to decide on this, so they negotiated with the initiative's supporters and agreed to pass a similar law through the legislature instead. But there was a catch. They had to do it fast. The deadline to withdraw the ballot measure was June 28, 2018. This meant the legislature had only a few weeks to draft, debate, and pass the law. They had to get it signed by the governor before the deadline. This compressed timeline meant they couldn't spend as much time as usual on detailed discussions or making sure it fit perfectly with existing privacy laws. Because of the rush, some parts of the law were not fully worked out. For example, how to verify consumer requests or define what counts as personal information in the context of new technologies like artificial intelligence. They also moved the law's effective date from August 2019 to January 1, 2020, giving businesses some extra time to prepare. From the perspective of technology and artificial intelligence, this quick process meant companies had to adapt fast. They had to update their systems to meet new data rights like access and deletion. But because the law was passed so quickly, some technical issues weren't fully addressed at first. This led to later amendments and clarifications. The law's rapid passage also showed how much public demand there was for stronger data privacy protections. As data-driven technologies and artificial intelligence grow, lawmakers feel more pressure to act quickly. The CCPA set a precedent for other states to follow, pushing the conversation about responsible data use forward. In short, the law was rushed to prevent a voter ballot measure and to position California as a leader in data privacy. This urgency shaped its initial form and pushed the technology sector to adapt swiftly, often requiring ongoing updates and clarifications to stay compliant.